It has both AC and DC outputs, including one Type-C PD, 4 USB, 2 AC 3-pin sockets, two 12-volt DC outputs, a 12-volt cigarette output, and wireless charging. It also comes with multiple charging options, an AC input, 12-volt car input, and input for solar charging panels. It is easy to carry, weighing 13.6 pounds, and can fit easily into any vehicle. A range of connectivity cables are included: AC adapter, car lighter, DC to MC4, and Type-C. There are multiple outputs for various needs, including iPad, mobile phone, Kindle, GoPro. Wireless phone charging. Mini fridge and cool box. Small fan and video camera. DAB radio and CD player. USB and Type-C devices. Laptop and MacBook. Guitar amplifier. DVD player and streaming. Multi-screen and night lighting. Also has handy built-in LED lighting.